Hello guys, Extran Gaming here. So we're here again at we are odds hunting again. So Lakers versus the Utah Jazz. That's our featured game for today, and we won earlier today, Memphis +2. So we are at 10-2. So that's our record. Not bad. So let's begin. Game info: 11-4, 11 wins, 4 loss for the Lakers. Third on the West, while Jazz has 5-10, 11 on the West. So when Sunday, November 23, 2025 at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, which is November 24, 2025 at 9 a.m. in Manila. So we're Delta Center in Salt Lake City, Utah. So spreads: Lakers minus 9.5, Utah Jazz plus 9.5, over and under 245.5. So my final pick is Lakers 9.5 minus 9.5. So even though the home court advantage will go to the Utah Jazz, I choose Lakers. Why? Because here. So health and availability, injuries, Lakers no player listed in the injury report. So in terms of the team health, Lakers is healthy right now. While the Jazz have George Niang and Walker Kessler out. So these two players are starters. That's one of the reason why I picked the Lakers. And another thing, Lakers have 8 wins in past 10 on head to head. So they won 8 on their 10 head to head. That's why I think Lakers have the edge. Lakers have won their previous 3 games. Utah Jazz were defeated last time, making it a back-to-back loss. So they lost on the Lakers and they lost on the Oklahoma City Thunder. 8 wins and 2 losses in the past 10 games for the Lakers. The Jazz have won 3 and lost 7 of their last 10 contests. So we can see here the two teams have different path to the playoffs. So the Lakers on the winning side, while the Jazz at the losing side. So that is why 9.5 is very marketable for me, because the Lakers have covered the 13.5 minus 13.5 last time when they faced the Jazz. Why not 9.5? The only difference is that the home court advantage is the Jazz. But I think Lakers can manage because their players are veterans like LeBron James and Luka Doncic. They don't care even if the home court is on their opponent. So that is why I pick Lakers minus 9.5, because they cover 13. Why can't they cover 9.5? So that's all guys. Thank you for watching. So if you're enjoying my videos, please like and share and subscribe. So if you're gambling, please do gamble in moderation. Message me if you have gambling problem. You should stop that. You should stop gambling. So if you're gonna bet, please bet on moderation. So that's all guys. And I also have GC. You can message me if you want to be added on my GC. Thank you guys.